This is the Vanguard Unica New Hermes IS200 demo. And what we'll be engraving today is a purple luggage tag. And that's what it's going to look like when it's all finished. And this is the program that I use called Gravostyle 98. And we'll take that program, we'll pull up our machining page. And then from there we will send it to our machine. The machine is receiving and is homing itself out. Received all the data. Once again, that's what we're going to be engraving right there. And we'll push our green button and away we go. This machine is a 1998. There is very little use on this machine. There's very few scratches on it. There's not many engraving chips either, which tells me again that this machine really wasn't used much at all. And you can tell by the engraving quality that it is top notch. And we're doing a little bit of text. And one more line of text. And it'll underline everything. Little character. There we go. And that's the finished engraving. And we'll pull the engraving out a little bit so you can see it better. There it is. And that is the IS200.